I believe you have students come to career fairs with great confidence. They're able to give that 30-second elevator pitch really, really well. They have a background that's well-rounded, not only academically, but outside within the community, and also campus involvement. Their GPAs tend to be a little bit stronger, and they have already a great background that just make them very successful for entry-level jobs.
Also, there's a lot of talent here. We've been very successful with people that have done internships from the University of Florida, have done very well at Target, and so we just value those people. And also there's the relationship that we have with the University of Florida.
The relationship and partnership that we have with GBCS is absolutely something that we do not take for granted, and we're very, very fortunate to have that relationship. We've probably brought on 15 to 20 individuals over the last several years, and each one of them has performed at a very high level in the positions that they're in, and many have been promoted up to our headquarters or on several customer teams.
The staff at the Huff School of Business here have been really wonderful with us in introducing us to students, but also with the students and understanding what they're looking for, understanding the background that they come from and their future goals. Being able to bring that awareness of the students' experience, their future goals, to our roles at T-Mobile has been really great. And being able to meet students with that warm introduction means that we have the opportunity to dive right into the skills that they have and where they see themselves growing within our company.